Welcome to Sparks Toyota. Here we have a 2017 Toyota Sienna XLE. It has a clean one-owner Carfax and comes with power heated mirrors, power sliding doors, roof rails, deep tinted glass, and much more. 18-inch 10-spoke machine finish alloy wheels, run flat all-season tires, fully automatic projector beam halogen daytime running headlamps with delay off, and a strong 6-cylinder all-wheel drive with only 27,387 miles. The power liftgate, LED brake lights, a hidden wiper, a spacious cargo area with a third row seat, and a comfortable second row with climate controls. The front row power heated leather bucket seating, dual zone auto climate control, a garage door opener, a push button start, and a leather steering wheel with convenience controls. We can't forget about the power sunroof, the multimedia touchscreen with a CD player, Bluetooth, and voice recognition, and a backup camera to make backing up a breeze. Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.